My name is Patricia Voto, and I'm the founder of One Of. One Of is a made-to-order brand with a focus on a sustainable approach that honors what came before us. We focus on using limited fabrics in various quantities and highlight the fact that existing materials are still beautiful. For finding the right fabrics, we have to travel quite a bit. So we're going to Italy, we're going to France, and then also domestically. It's really challenging because shipping things from overseas is something we want to avoid. That's our biggest hurdle right now, I would say.
Everything Patricia does is all about sustainability, use of dead stock fabrics, and we were so moved by her mission that we really wanted to incorporate innovation and our technology to help her further that mission. SEDDI is great for brands and designers because it is cloud native software, so it allows them to be able to collaborate all the way across the value chain, working with manufacturers, mills, clients. Utilizing SEDDI Textura, she no longer has to travel to see all of those fabrics. She can have them scanned in any of the mills and factories and see how those fabrics will drape and move and how light reflects off of them, all in the cloud.
Our relationship with the textiles is interesting because there are some rolls that we only have enough to make one garment, and then others we have enough to make several. So we try and minimize the risk by not cutting anything until we know that it's the right fabric for the right silhouette. I think a software like SEDDI is very helpful because it allows us to show the client what the final garment would look like in our fabric without having to cut it.
The beauty of working with SEDDI Textura is that you can scan fabrics from a desktop scanner, upload it, and the AI technology that is many years and many PhDs in the making will make sure that that fabric drapes and moves and reflects light just as the real product would.
Being able to see a rendering of the clothes is critical. With SEDDI's avatars, you're able to really accurately shape the figure to the client's measurements, whether it be, one of our clients that comes into the studio or a celebrity or, a project where we're not able to meet in person. When you give the detailed measurements, you're really able to have the exact body in the system and then kind of drape directly on there, which again streamlines the process and avoids any waste and allows us to be very accurate with what we do.
So SEDDI Author allows you to create garments that are so accurate down to the seam and stitch level that we know exactly how they'll fit. In SEDDI Author, designers like Patricia can hold on to that craftsmanship and that heritage of dressmaking by designing and iterating and creating within the Author technology.
With SEDDI and making the amendments to the garments, whether it's for a client or for our own collections, it's quite seamless. What's nice is that we're able to shorten up lengths and kind of test different proportions very quickly, and being able to do it live makes a big difference. It's really important for us to understand the finishings of the garments. A lot of what we're working with is quite delicate, so with true seams, being able to see the different options of seam construction makes a huge difference.
All of SEDDI's software is accessible anywhere in the world from the cloud, making it easy to use, easy to access, easy to collaborate. No special hardware necessary.
What's really helpful is the level of refinement within the program so that we can really understand the quality and the workmanship that needs to go in each product. And so to be able to have craftsmanship turned into digital craftsmanship has been really beneficial for our brand and the growth and the attention to detail that we need for each piece.